This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Buture. This is their Beta09 Jump Starter portable air compressor. It's more like almost like a full-on kit here. So what you've got is this Jump Starter air compressor with a carry handle on it and a bunch of different modes and things along those lines. Can measure a bunch of different units. I'll show you the jump starter aspect and the portable air compressor aspect of it in this video. But also, as a bonus, you get these straps. This little toe strap here, which is very handy. Some gloves, almost like gardening mechanics type gloves. And here's all of your air compressor attachments, your hookups for your portable jump starter, a USB-C charging to USB-A charging cable, and then your air compressor hose right here as well. The package is generously sized, so you should be able to fit all this stuff in here with no problem. And then, kind of as an added bonus, they've also given us a tubeless tire repair kit here. So you've got the tool to kind of help pick out the nail or whatever, and then the repair kit right here with the plug. So that's pretty good. It's nice to have all of this kind of as an all-in-one kit. And these are, like I said, these are very handy to have with you in your vehicle. That way, if you have an issue, like if your battery suddenly goes dead, if you have a sudden flat tire, then it is something that you may be able to get yourself out in a pinch with. So that's kind of nice also. That comes in this, like I said, generously sized soft case. Instruction manual right here. What I'm going to do is take it outside. I'm going to show you the jump starter aspect of it on a piece of lawn equipment. And I'm going to show you how well that the portable air compressor portion of this works. And we'll do that here next. Alright, before I show you the jump starter aspect of this, I want to show you the accessories with the inputs and whatnot. There's also a light that's associated with it here, which is nice. So there's your light. Does the standard. Oh, that one's got like an orange flash to it. So that's kind of neat. And you've got your engine start here on the side. The weather covers are really good. but yeah, so you've got the engine start cover here, and then the other cover here is USBs, which I can show you here very quickly. So you've got two USB-A outputs on this, and the USB-C is the input for charging. So that's that. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to plug this in. There is no, as you can see, there is no battery or anything on this. So we're going to just connect it, and we're going to see if we can get it to go. There we go. So it gives you about 8 to 10 seconds of cranking, as you saw. And you know, it'll get ready and repeat the process if necessary after a cool down period. And it's still got plenty of battery life left. So, and if you're having trouble, a lot of times I just pull this off and put it back on here, and it'll reset and be ready to crank again. And give you about another 8 to 10 seconds of cranking, again, as long as it doesn't go into overheat protection mode or anything like that. This same machine has some, well, I've got plenty of tires here that can be aired up, so I'll probably take care of that tire here next, get that aired up, and show you how well that does, and we'll see how fast the compressor is for that. Alright, so here's that tire that I was talking about. We're going to turn this on here. We've got it hooked up. You can change the mode and the unit, so you got a motorcycle, bicycle, ball, automatic, or a car. We'll just use the car here, and then we can change the units. 36 psi, we need to knock it down to about 10. Well, the car won't do it, so we'll have to go to the automatic and press the button, let it finish flashing here. Alright guys, so whenever you have your pressures, like I just showed you, you have to long press this inflation pump and it'll start. There we go. Let's see how long it takes here. Shouldn't take too long because this is a low pressure tire. As you can see, the battery life is pretty good. The pump is really quiet too for a portable pump. Alright guys, so from 0 to 10 psi on this mower tire took about 2 minutes. So not the fastest one I've tested, but pretty consistent, works just fine. Again, you can kind of just set these and forget them. Let them do their thing, come back, do the next tire if you need to. So overall, works pretty well, pretty quiet. Seems to be the battery life's pretty good, and for the most part pretty straightforward. That pump button is a little bit different than what I'm used to, but hey, works pretty well. I think it should do pretty well for your needs as well for emergency pump, in addition to all the accessories that it comes with as a plus as well. Alright guys, that's everything on this portable air compressor from Buture. Should be good for your needs. Again, these things at the price point that they are, buy one, keep it charged, put it in your car. You never know when you might need it. I know I use mine all the time around here in the line of work that I do, airing up tires and jumping off pieces of lawn equipment. So this should, like I said, if you're just using it for emergency purposes, should be great for you. So thanks again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.